My name is Purti S of class 10 standard A section. My roll number is 31 and I am studying in JSS Public School. My topic is History and Geography of Uttarakhand. Overview. Uttarakhand is endowed with a unique and diverse range of biodiversity. From the snowbound peaks of the Himalayas to the moist alpine scrub, subalpine forest, dry, temperate and moist temperate forest to moist deciduous forest, the state possesses a wide biodiversity that in return nurtures a large multiplicity of floral and faunal forms. This table shows the floristic distribution in Uttarakhand. By looking at this table, we can say that there are more number of species of gymnosperms in Uttarakhand, which is 4048. And we can also say that there is least number of species of monocot, which is only 48. More than 350 species of plants are threatened and endangered in the state. Most of these threatened plant species are to be found on the hills and have been overexploited for medicinal, aromatic, or commercial ends. The most threatened among the tree species are members of the family Aceraceae. State flower Brahmakamal, which is also known as Sauceria obvalata. This is the state flower of Uttarakhand. Buranj. Buranj is an all-season medium-height tree found at altitudes ranging from 1500 to 3600 meters in the Himalayan region. The leaves of the tree are thick and its flowers are bell-shaped and blood red, white, pink and purple. The flowers bloom in bunches and a rhododendron tree is full blossom presents a striking visual. The extract from the flowers has vital medicinal values. Now coming to fauna. Corbett National Park. So let's see how many species of animals and birds are found in this park. It is home to nearly 600 species of birds, 50 mammals and at least 25 species of reptiles in the Ramganga. It is also known as the land of turpet, roar and song. Now coming to Gangotri National Park. The source of Ganga, Gomukh, is situated here. Bharal population is remarkable. Musk deer, snow leopard and Himalayan thar are also found. Govind National Park. It is famous for trekking destination Har Ki Dun. Preferred habitat of snow leopard and western trunk fawn are also found here. Nanda Devi National Park. It is the core zone of Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve and it is also home to 800 identified species of herbs, shrubs and trees and 29 species of mammals. Rajaji National Park. Nestled in the Shivalik opening out to the West Indo-Gangetic Plains, blessed with 315 species of mammals with the elephants as the flagship species. Valley of Flowers National Park. It is a natural botanical park with over 300 species of wildflowers. History of evolution in Nanda Devi region. The changes in Nanda Devi glaciers in the Nanda Devi region of central Himalayas in Uttarakhand in the last 3 decades have majorly affected the lifestyle, culture and agricultural practices of people living in nearby villages says a study carried out by experts from major institutes including IIT Kanpur, Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology, and HNB Garhwal Central University in Uttarakhand. M.P.S. Beast, director of USAC, who was among the researchers involved in the study, said the changes in the glaciated areas had a major effect on various aspects of the life of people living in about 47 villages in the buffer zone of the Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, hosting the Nanda Devi glaciers. It was found that the people in those villages who used to wear heavy winter clothing due to low temperatures had stopped wearing them due to climatic changes in the last few decades, which have caused the receding of glaciers there, said Beast. Thank you.